So, day 23. We'll be open tomorrow morning. I'm at the store today. So we'll be open tomorrow morning, and that's it. Then we're done for Christmas. So we'll be back so we're open Monday, Tuesday morning, just until noon. And then we're open Friday and Saturday. Closed Sunday. Open Monday. It's spotty, but we're doing it the right way, we think. That allows some of my staff to still get a full paycheck because we want that. Okay, so today is cleaning brushes. Our 4 technicians have seen their fair share of lint and dust-filled sewing machines. Yes, filled. So we have seen our fair share of filled sewing machines. It's important to keep your machine clean, to keep it running properly, and this is very, very true. You may think every few years is okay, but the wear and tear on your machine when it's not taken care of is much greater than the wear and tear on your machine if it is taken care of. The grit that can build up in your bobbin case around the bobbin mechanism underneath can really play havoc on your bobbin. But I call it the bobbin bowl, where your bobbin sits. Those parts that turn, when they are worn down, have to be replaced. And that can be impossible, and it can be expensive, and it is mitigated by cleaning your machine. So having your machine professionally cleaned, every year is a great idea. 18 months, I would say you need to have it cleaned. The top end, again, can get worn out and seize. The grease on the top end can make your bobbin winder not work properly. There's quite a bit that you want to make sure gets taken care of on your machine. Now you can extend the time because some of our clients have to bring their machine every 6 months. And so we have a special rate for people who bring their machine in at least every 12 months for cleaning because it is much easier for us to get it clean. And you can make the most of the 12 months by cleaning your machine. So I don't know how to put it more plainly than that. So somebody got the hot idea of taking makeup extensions and turning them into machine cleaning brushes, and they are super clever. So this is what a mascara brush looks like at the end. I rarely wear mascara, but you can see there we've got a variety of little brushes. They are great for all the nooks and crannies, and they grab the lint and they pull it out. It's not like the other day I was cleaning and I had to use like tweezers and pick the bits out. This is a brush, it'll sweep it out. And these are from Gypsy Quilter, and they're so pretty and feminine. And you can wash them off. So you can use them over and over and over again. So Q-tips work, but these you can use over and over again. Okay, that's a great day. All right, and then tomorrow I'll be at the store, so I'll open another one tomorrow, and then I'm very tempted to take a peek at what's on day 25, which is one more. So Christmas morning, there'll be one more Christmas afternoon or Christmas evening, whatever it is, when we get around to opening our day 25. Don't forget you have it. There's lots happening on the 25th. So, right. And some of you have waited all the way through until the 25th. So I guess some of you are going to have a really exciting day on Christmas, opening all of these individually. And then we can start waxing poetic about what was in there in public and make everybody want one next year because they are missing out. Have a great day, everyone.